Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. As always, this is a sample company provided by QuickBooks for educational purposes only. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online by printing checks. In part 2, you will also learn how to submit electronic payments for free through QuickBooks Online Bill Pay feature. To get started, click on the white plus new button at the top left-hand side of your screen, and then select Pay Bills in the second column under Vendors. The Pay Bills screen shows a list of all bills that are due and enables you to select the bills you want to pay. If you haven't recorded bills in QuickBooks Online yet, you can check out my tutorial on how to enter bills in QuickBooks Online. To process bill payments, you have to complete several fields on the Pay Bills screen, such as selecting a payment account. Select the checking account that you wish to use to make the payments. If you haven't set up a bank account, you'll need to do so before you can pay bills in QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and refer to my video on how to import bank transactions in QuickBooks Online, which also covers connecting bank and credit card accounts. Next, you'll want to enter the payment date. Enter the date to print on the checks. This usually is today's date or the current date. Next, you'll want to enter the starting check number. Provide the starting check number. Alternatively, you can place a check mark next to print later to save the checks and print them at another time. Then you'll want to select the bills. Go ahead and select the bills to pay by placing a check mark in the box to the left of that bill. And then after you select the bills you want to pay, QuickBooks will default the payment amount to the entire open balance. However, you can change the payment to a lesser amount if you want to make a partial payment. After completing the required fields and selecting the bill or bills you want to pay, click the green Save and Print button on the lower corner of your screen. The bills will be marked as paid, and QuickBooks will take you to the Print Checks screen. The Print Check screen displays a list of all of the checks that have been written from the specified checking account. To print the checks, place a check mark next to the checks that you wish to print. Provide a starting check number, which can be found on the top right-hand corner of your check, and click the green Print and Preview button. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to preview and print your checks. Once your checks are printed, go ahead and post them and put them in the mail like any other check. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how to pay bills through QuickBooks Online Bill Pay. For more business resources, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, check out edjconsultinggroup.com, linked in the description box below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. If you have any video or tutorial requests, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you need more assistance, private QuickBooks Online coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.